Hello everyone and welcome to my day 1 of the 100-day challenge. I've decided to do the 100-day challenge where I get to create something creative every day for 100 consecutive days. So every day I'm going to share with you my watercolor process of a unique design. I'm an architect, an illustrator, and a surface pattern designer. So I use most of my designs into creating different patterns that I can then use in products and fabrics. So for example, this cute little elephant that I'm drawing here is going to be one of the elements that I'm going to use for the Spoonflower challenge for this week, that is the skies above. Besides using all my watercolor paints, I also love using the water-soluble pencils from Cat and Dash. So they're watercolor pencils. You can color with them and then use the brush to spread the paint, or you can use the pencil on your palette and use it as a regular watercolor. That works great because then you get different colors that sometimes you don't have in your watercolor tubes. I am very excited about this creative journey that I've started today. I invite you to join me and paint along. If you decide to do the challenge, please comment create in the comments and I'll share with you the prompt for the day. Thank you so much. I read a quote yesterday that says, "We are what we repeatedly do. Excellence, then, is not an act, but a habit." Aristotle.